She's up pretty well.
Julia. Ooh, that's a leaf.
Julia, can you say hello to Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Julia.
Ready to go? Ready to run? Run? Go.
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 I think
Go.
she said go.
I think she did. Go. His little feet. She's got her nose crinkled up.
Look how red her feet are now. Is that from the getting the shoes wet, do you think?
Oh, I don't know. Are they?
I mean, they're so
red?
pink,
They
aren't they?
Can we stop? Stop. Go. 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 Can you? And stop.
You're making a lot of noise.
Hi, Julia.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, sweet girl.
That's a
You see your...
Go.
Julia.
Cute picture. We're looking at the flowers. You really look like a little girl with that little dress on.